This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking MIUI and Android build so you know which menus apply, because settings differ across versions. Once done, verify mobile data and the APN policy permits tethering. Carriers can block hotspots. Next, turn off battery saver and any active VPNs or data restrictions that kill background tethering. Now open settings and go straight to portable hotspot. You're ready to configure SSID, password, and band. Do that now so the phone can broadcast. Now configure the hotspot. Pick an SSID and strong WPA2 password and choose 2. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed depending on clients. Make sure location and nearby device permissions are granted, since modern MIUI ties tethering to location for scanning. This prevents invisible failures. Limit the number of allowed devices to avoid bandwidth or DHCP exhaustion, and toggle AP isolation if device-to-device issues occur. Finally, save settings and switch the hotspot on to start accepting clients. Finish by restarting your Redmi and the client device to clear DHCP and cache issues. This often resolves connection but not internet access. If clients connect without internet, toggle mobile data, re-enable the hotspot, or reset network settings to refresh APN and routing rules. Make sure MIUI is updated because vendor fixes land and updates. If nothing works, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This removes misconfigurations that block tethering and restores normal hotspot behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.